Merry Christmas to me, Merry Christmas to me, Merry Christmas to me. I bought this actually on Black Friday and I waited until Christmas Day to open it. It is the Sony HDR CX405 camcorder. So, let's see what's in here. I don't even know. Well, first let's find out what we got here. 9.2 megapixel still image recording, 60 times clear image zoom. That's why I like the Sony so much. Their zoom is amazing. It has a 26.8 millimeter wide angle lens. The bit rate is 50 megabits, and the MP4 dual recording video option is here. Full HD 1080. So let's see what we got here. Let's open this up. Alright. Alright. Looks like that's your limited warranty. Got your accessory brochure here in case you want to buy something else. There's a little thing about the AC adapter. Little multilingual thingy here. All it says is an AC adapter is supplied with the product. That's all. You can register your product in order to get, okay, whatever, chance to enter a contest. Alright, here's the instruction manual. And there it is in Spanish. So that's all the paperwork. Now, there's our camcorder. This thing probably weighs all of a pound. It's really lightweight. Plastic. Not the most solid like feeling thing in the world. But you know what? I didn't pay a lot for it. It was a Black Friday deal at Best Buy. Here you go. Typical Sony format here. Pop this open and here's where you got your interfaces for your HDMI cable, and you can pop a micro SD card in here as well. No, it's all on going to be on screen display, and this is not a touch screen. It has a toggle switch here and a button to select. So be aware of that. So be careful. Make sure you close this guy. I mean, it does go down far enough so that you won't jam it if you close the door before you close that door. So that's kind of nice. There's a speaker here for playback. Here's microphone inputs. So you got stereo microphone. Here's a lens cover. So that's nice. You can snap that on. That's manual. What else? Your start and stop button on these guys is back here, and that's so when you're holding it like so with your hand in the strap, you can just go. Of course, I'll probably be using a tripod most of the time. Up on top, you got a button for photography, and you got a lever switch on either side. Wide means you're backing up. Tight, W and T, wide and tight. Okay, it says there's a Zeiss lens in there. That's always nice. Zeiss is nice. So that's your camcorder, and then also comes with a AC adapter plug, and of course the ever-present USB. So here's your HDMI cable. That's the one that goes in that door that I showed you. Here's your USB cable for plugging into the AC adapter, and here's your battery. So we're going to go ahead and charge this thing up, and then I will give you a demonstration. I'm sorry, I will give you a tutorial on how to initialize this camera. Sony's are great cameras. This camcorder, again, it's the CX405. I'm really looking forward to it. Again, really lightweight. Here's your tripod mount up front here. The nice thing about this is I can mount this. There's a couple nice things about this. One is I can mount this on a tripod, and I'm not going to have any problem here with space. Okay, here's the door to open up for the battery, the rechargeable battery. So presumably on my tripod I'm using, the mount is only about yo big. So I'll be able to screw this in. I'll be able to take this out and in if I want to without taking it off the tripod mount. That doesn't sound like a big deal, but it kind of is. And another thing is I'll be able to take the memory card in and out at my will, and that's a big deal too. The other Sonys, one of the other Sonys that I have, it's a really nice high-end one, but it's pretty old now. It only takes SD cards, not micro SD cards, which is not that big a deal, but regular SD cards are becoming more scarce. So then you have to deal with the adapter, and the adapter is always an issue. Not always, but it can be an issue. And also, the input for that is on the bottom. So sometimes, depending on the tripod mount that you use, you may actually have a interference. So you actually have to take the camera off the tripod in order to swap out SD cards, and you know, that can be a pain. So I don't really want to do that anymore. So this is a nice feature on the newer cameras that you don't have to do that. So anyway, that's just one observation, but there will be many more. Again, once I charge up the battery, put it in there, all that stuff, I'll show you how to do the on-screen first time initialization setup. So that's the unboxing video for the Sony HDR CX405, and if you like this video, like it, and if you didn't, don't like it. And if you want to help the channel, please subscribe. Helps me a lot, and that's all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button. It's really not a big deal, just bam, and all of a sudden you helped me. So have a great day. Enjoy.